Hi, it's Heather Funk with H&H Science and Trillium Creek Dermatology. Today I want to invite you to a special event that's happening this whole month. It's our hair restoration event for both men and women with female or male pattern baldness. It's a great non-surgical option to rejuvenate your hair.
Okay, Ed, so PRP treatment that we're going to do today is part of a process of stimulating hair regrowth where people have lost hair either for hormonal reasons or stress related or normal aging, and so it's part of our holistic program where you'll receive information about a red diode cap that assists the hair follicles in regrowing, and then we have other medications that be used to control particularly hormonal imbalances or normal hormonal influences on loss of hair. And so along with that, the PRP injection takes blood sample and then spins it down to remove the red cells and save the platelet-rich plasma. And then we'll inject that into areas where the hair is receding to try to stop receding hair loss and then stimulate hair regrowth. And so for the first step forward, you will be removing some blood so we can spin that down and then inject you back with your own platelets that'll stimulate the hair follicles to continue to grow or to replace ones that have stopped growing now to regrow.
Great.
Any questions about that?
No.
Okay, so the first step will be then to get a sample of blood, and we'll start that here in just a second.
Great.